Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of chia seeds. A true superfood packed with nutrients. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. These tiny seeds have been a staple in ancient diets for centuries, and for good reason. From boosting your energy to supporting heart health, chia seeds are a versatile addition to your diet. Let's explore why you should include them in your meals. Chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a powerful nutritional punch. Here are some of the key vitamins and minerals they contain. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are crucial for brain health and can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide about 10 grams of fiber, helping with digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. Protein. Chia seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, making them perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Calcium. These seeds contain more calcium than a glass of milk, supporting bone health. Magnesium essential for muscle function and relaxation. Magnesium in chia seeds helps with overall body function. Phosphorus, vital for tissue and cell repair. Chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus. Antioxidants. They are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radicals. One unique property of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water and expand, forming a gel-like consistency. This can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. The high fiber content and water absorption help you feel full, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Chia seeds slow the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar and reducing cravings. Despite being nutrient-dense, chia seeds are relatively low in calories, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Including chia seeds in your diet is easy and versatile. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, or use them as an egg substitute in baking. Chia seeds provide a steady source of energy due to their balanced nutrient profile. The fiber in chia seeds aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. High levels of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium contribute to strong bones. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and protect your body from free radicals. Let's talk about some additional benefits of chia seeds that you might not be aware of. The antioxidants in chia seeds can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are crucial for brain health and can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Chia seeds are a great source of energy and hydration, making them an excellent choice for athletes and active individuals. Helps regulate cholesterol. The fiber and omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol levels, supporting overall heart health. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of chia seeds. Remember, incorporating nutrient-dense foods like chia seeds into a balanced diet can make a big difference. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.